welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm headed out to the grocery store. I have my list and I have my meal plan. I've kind of am trying a new thing, so I'll explain it a little bit more later on, but I figured I would take you guys along. It is just about 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning, so I'm not sure how busy Walmart is going to be, and I actually have to go over to Aldi for a few specific things. So I've got my coffee. It is freezing cold here in Massachusetts, like frigid, and we have not a ton of snow, but this is like our first real snowstorm. Like the kids didn't have school yesterday and all of that. It's actually like beautiful. I love it. I love the way it looks with like all the snow on the ground and all of that. So I have a big pimple on my forehead that Kevin pointed out to me before I left. So now I'm self-conscious. He told me to adjust my camera angles so people wouldn't see it. I'm like, thanks, I think. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. I know the lighting is absolutely terrible. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe and I will chat more with you guys when we get home. Alright, so I'm just about to head into Walmart. I just went into Aldi real quick just to grab a few things that Walmart does not have. So this is my list. So what I did first was I went through everything I have at home and tried to see what I could make meals with from what I already have. And then, like, we always need obviously produce, like obviously up to here all this is produce. We needed some bread, burger rolls, which I just got rolls for tonight, and for our meatball subs. So I'm gonna cross that off my list. I grabbed one thing of bagels, and I grabbed two of the kids, like they like those Hostess cupcakes, so I grabbed two of those, and hash browns. No, I couldn't find hash browns anywhere, so like I got like the McDonald's size ones, so I went and got that. But this is everything that we need for Walmart, and here is my meal plan. So bacon cheeseburgers, which we're gonna have tonight. We can have grilled cheese and sweet potatoes with broccoli, or grilled chicken with anything, really, pretty much whenever. I think I have like 1 pack from BJ's, so that will last us hopefully 2 weeks. I'm gonna grab a little bit of meat today just because this meal plan is for 2 weeks. So I have 10 meals because 14 days, like at least some leftovers for 4 of the nights. So I made 10 meals, but we can do the grilled chicken a few times. We can do, you know, I can do buffalo chicken wraps. I have other things we can do if we need it, like already at home, but like the salsa chicken bowls, I know that will last a couple of days. Breakfast, I just kind of throw in there. We have that like probably once every 2 weeks, and I have tons of pasta. I have some ground beef and all that, so if we need another meal, I have that too. But we can also do tacos a few times too. But so that is everything. Now we are going to head into Walmart, and hopefully my budget is $200 because I'm shopping for 2 weeks, so hopefully I can stay under budget. That was an experience. It was busy. I was trying to film a TikTok too, so I was trying to like multitask because any footage on, a piece of like fuzz in my eye, any footage that I film on my phone for YouTube, it has to be like horizontal, no, vertical? I don't know, it has to go, like I have to flip the camera this way, and for TikTok it needs to be this way, like long ways, so I need to read a book. So I have all of my groceries stacked. It is like an absolute workout because I did like self-checkout, and it was like so much trying to bag everything and keep everything organized and all of that. So I have so much respect for everyone who works in like Walmart, Target, all that stuff, and like bags everything, because it's like a whole process. So I will share everything with you when I get it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
We've got a lot. So I grabbed a big thing of Diet Coke for myself and just to have on hand for when people come over. We have 2 of my coffees. I got some of this ginger ale to keep it on hand in case anyone is ever sick. Here is the meats. We have a ton of meat in the freezer already, but I just got a little bit. This is for dinner tonight. We're gonna have bacon cheeseburgers. So I got these Angus beef steak burgers and then some bacon. We got some honey ham, and I got some chicken cutlets just to put on the grill since I'm gonna be cooking the burgers out on the grill. I needed some plain salt. We use like pink Himalayan salt to cook with, but just like for baking and all of that, and to put in my spice jar. I grabbed some of that. We needed tortilla chips, so I got these kind of tortilla chips, and also these are our favorite. We have them with chips and salsa, and also with buffalo chicken dip. Got some of these honey barbecue chips, and also some Lay's to go with sandwiches, and we're having like meatball subs one day if we don't want french fries, and just have with like sandwiches. Again, with the soup, just like to keep it on hand. We like to just have it when it's cold, but also like to have it if anyone is sick. Grabbed some eggs and some cream cheese. I grabbed one of these marinara sauces. We have, I think, 2, but we're gonna maybe have pasta if we run out of everything else. So I just grabbed one just to have as a backup. We needed some taco sauce. Got some pizza sauce for lunches. One day I got some little pizza crusts too. I got some of this chicken bouillon to add to my rice. My friend told me that that was really good. We were all out of salsa, so I grabbed a thick and chunky medium and a mild. I got a bunch of corn. There's actually more in a bag down there because we are on our last can, and we love to put this, just have this as a side. Love to put it in our taco bowls. Love to put it on our salsa chicken, all of that. We're going to have enchiladas one day this week, so I got 1 can of enchilada sauce, sour cream. Now this is 2 weeks worth of groceries, so I got these yogurts to go with for Kevin's breakfast. I'm going to make him these protein muffins, and then he'll have like a banana or something. 1 small thing of sour cream, 2 of these Greek yogurts for Layton. She loves Greek yogurt, so she'll definitely go through those 2. In the back is the junky stuff. I got some of these cupcakes for the kids and Kevin. They all love them. A small thing of mini bites. Layton asked for fruit snacks, and Austin did too. He wanted these. And I got some of these just to have as a quick breakfast for the kids, along with some yogurt. Like I said, the protein blueberry muffin mix. Got some egg whites for myself. Here's all our bread. I'm going to make some homemade Uncrustables, so I got this loaf of bread for that. We have some mini bagels back here and some Hawaiian sweet rolls for our meatball subs. I got 2 of these big hash browns. Kevin and Austin love these. These are for our burgers tonight. They're the brioche buns. They're delicious. Got some plain bagels, 2 of our favorite bread. We haven't been eating white bread in so long, but we had this and now we're obsessed. So got 2 loaves of the artisano, I don't know how you say it, but I call it artisan bread. Here are the 2 things for make your own pizza night. So I got 2 of those. For tacos, we have some taco shells, some the carb balance ones for wraps, and these I thought would be really good to like put them and make the tacos and put them in like the toaster, or in the air fryer, sorry. So got some stuff for my salads, some cranberries and pecans, some sunflower kernels, some celery. Here's all our produce. We have celery, a cucumber, 2 avocados, 2 onions, some whipped cream, some lemon juice. We've got lettuce, big bag of apples, small baby carrots for snacking, big thing of strawberries, some russet potatoes, some sweet potatoes, a big bag of carrots, and I get this big thing of cheese. It's just cheaper to buy it in bulk. Some oyster crackers for that soup, and then a big thing of orange juice and apple juice. I think that is it.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out.
So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, like, kind of catching up on how I'm grocery shopping now. So every 2 weeks instead of going every week, I just figured it's a little bit easier. I spent just over $200, like $201, so I nailed my goal. So the next thing I have to do is just upload my receipt to Fetch, and I am done. So I'm gonna do that. Make sure you guys click the link below because you can get like tons of points and gift cards and all of that with Fetch. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling